How's that? Kind of cool? I think so. So Dean was I buy cool stuff, which I do. And last week, if you watch my videos, you'll see I bought a bunch of, come on, focus, small sterling silver spoons. All these are marked sterling in one way, shape, or form or the other. So I haven't been casting silver in a long time, but I just casted this. This is a 76 gram sterling silver skull made in this mold here that I bought off of eBay right there. And we're going to use propane torch and see if we can cast another one. So let me hit pause and get things fired up. Alright, so I got Grace to come hold the camera for me for a minute. And we're going to try and pour it in the skull mold up here. So we got all them spoons liquefied. We're going to pour it right in this mold right here. Didn't quite take. So did not make the full skull, so we're going to have to add some more silver to it. So it's all coming together here. It's getting kind of hot. So, should be getting the mold hot while I'm doing this. I think we got her all into one pile now. We're going to bring it out, keeping it on the thing there, and we're going to try and pour it all at once. Still didn't do a good job. We'll try again. Alright, so now we're going to try and do this pour all in one dunk, per se, because I've got all the silver that I want in that ingot in the thing. So let's see if that makes a difference, if I can do a better job pouring more faster. Still has issues. I don't like it. We'll do her again. I guess that's the one good thing about it, is it don't ever go bad. Alright, we're going to try it again. I know I've got the right amount of silver now. Try and keep the lip hot. Nope. How did I do the first one and the rest of them don't work? And it's not like they're getting progressively better. is it? It's got to be that I'm just so on the edge of being able to do it at all. Last try for today. See if it come out. Kind of interesting. Not as nice as I'd like. Apparently the kid likes the noise it makes going in the water.
Oh, like somebody farted.
All right. We'll like, comment, subscribe. Like I always say, God bless you, God bless America. Here, take a look at these. We'll see how they clean up.